everyone, it's Antoinette. I just want to take you with me today on a culinary experience. We are going to be making Moroccan lamb couscous. Come look, this is so delicious. And the reason I'm making a Moroccan dish is my mother-in-law's family from Sicily migrated to Morocco. From Morocco, they all came to the United States. I learned to make this dish after I married my husband. He was born in the United States. We went on our honeymoon to Spain, Portugal, and he surprised me to go to Morocco. When we landed in Morocco that night, we had Moroccan couscous, and it was with lamb. Now you can make this with lamb, you can make it with chicken, you can make it with pork, whatever you like. Let's get started. I want to show you. I'm sauteing the lamb, okay, in olive oil with fresh onions, okay, and garlic. The prep of this entire meal is the cutting of the vegetables. So there's onions and garlic, okay. I'm going to be putting in lots of fresh parsley. The herbs are so delicious with this meal. We're going to put in tomatoes, cut up tomatoes, and then I like to put in the recipe, as my mother-in-law did, she loved to put the cubed little square tomatoes, 15-ounce can. The recipe will be listed below. All you have to do is comment lamb and you will get this recipe from me. It's so delicious. Now I want to show you all of the vegetables that we put. Okay, there's a lot, nice little salt and pepper, some fresh, I use organic paprika. It's a one-pot meal. It's amazing. It's amazing. And we put in the chickpeas. Okay, everything goes in. Now look at these vegetables. The vegetables are turnips, zucchini, sweet potatoes, peppers. All of this was cut up, and carrots. And there's carrots in here. Okay, all of these vegetables go in here. Okay, lots of vegetables. This is such a healthy, amazing meal for your family to enjoy. I put in the vegetable broth. I use organic. And then what I do is, okay, all of this is going to get cooked together. We put the cabbage on top, cut up cabbage just like this. Okay. And it's going to steam and cook for an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're going to cover it. I'm going to make my organic couscous, and we have a meal.